Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show battery percentage on a status bar on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone and settings, scroll down and go to battery. Okay, tap the battery and battery. Okay, scroll down and you can see the more battery settings. Okay, here you can see the battery percentage display mode, and the battery percentage display mode is set into do not display. Okay, to display the battery percentage, you'll have to do is tap the battery percentage display mode and the pop-up bar show. Okay, you can see the option, the outside the battery icon and the inside the battery icon. You can select this. So I decide the inside the battery icon. Okay, tap this to show the battery percentage on battery icon on the status bar, and that's it. Okay, we have successfully show the battery percentage on a status bar in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.